Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for a memorable and genuine way to thank someone, in this video I offer you 20 non-boring phrases to express your gratitude. Let's get started. Here are some of the most common types of way to say thank you. This general thank you, personal thank you, service thank you, advice thank you, work related thank you, gift thank you, and donation thank you. Let's talk about general thank you. For any time that you feel grateful, please use these grateful remarks. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your time. Please accept my deepest thanks. Well, let's talk about personal thank you. When you feel a deep appreciation for those who makes difference in your life, you can use these phrases to show your gratitude. I really appreciate you. You have no idea what it means to me. Your kind words warm my heart. I'm so grateful to you. I'm thankful for you in my life. Move on. Next, I want to discuss with you work-related thank you. For the time when you receive a great opportunity at work or extra help or bonus, you can consider sending these phrases. I value and respect your opinion. Your support means a lot to me. I am forever grateful for the opportunity. Well, let's talk about advice thank you. If you get some great advice, and you can show your appreciation with next phrases. Thank you for sharing your advice with me. I appreciate you taking a time to speak with me. From bottom of my heart, thank you. And last, we're gonna learn how to express our gratitude when you get gifts. Okay, let's go. Thank you for incredible gifts. I can't thank you enough. I'm so grateful for your generous gift. Thank you for thinking of me. I will cherish your gift always. So guys, it's all for today. I want to end up this class with great quote: an open mind will open doors. See ya.